are you the host?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
You just make me the host. Mohammed, Mohammadi, Muni, Rashta, switch on your cameras,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
See, it's already 10 a.m. and you people are not ready for the class. But at 10:45, everyone is ready to leave the class. Yeah, Rashta? You join the class late and then you leave the class also early. When you are so punctual to leave the class, just be punctual for the beginning of the class also. Especially, this is for those people who are in a hurry to leave the class. So be on the club, be on time because whole class time is getting wasted.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I want
Aman,
to
Mohammadi, Munib, what happened?
Ma'am, I am getting my notebook.
5 minutes before only when you are chatting here, just bring your notebooks and everything.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am. In integers, when plus will come, then we will add. Well, it will plus. And then when minus will come, then also we will plus. And minus plus will be minus. And plus minus will also be minus. Right?
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask, plus is equal to plus. We will do plus only. And minus will also do plus.
Okay. I will do revision. Okay. First, tell me the questions that I gave you.
Minus 25 minus 10.
Minus 25 minus 10. Give me the questions only.
Ma'am, then plus 20 minus 2.
Plus 20 minus 2. And then minus 18
Minus
plus
18
8.
plus 8.
Plus 8. Okay. All of you have done this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Rashta, switch on your camera, please.
Bhai,
First answer, Rashta, you give.
you're
Because you
breathing.
will be leaving the class early, so you give the answer first.
The first answer is 50. Minus 50.
Minus?
Minus 35.
Minus 35. How many of you have got minus 35?
And
Ma'am,
me.
I got minus
I
35.
got minus 35.
I also, ma'am. Minus
Mohammed
30.
Mohammadi, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I did not get the questions.
Why?
Google Classroom, ma'am gave in the
There is no assignment.
No, I didn't give on Google Classroom. I gave it in the class only.
Ma'am, he
In
left
class, you
early.
also left the class early. Those who leave the class early, they will miss this thing, na? From 10 from 45 only, you people are in a hurry to leave the class, and then you people join the class also late. At least don't learn maths, but learn some respect, learn honesty, learn punctuality. These things will count in the long run. Okay, 20. So this is the correct answer. Plus 20 minus 2.
Ma'am, I want
18.
to ask you one question. Minus
18.
ma'am, 19. Ma'am, I got
19.
19.
It
How
will
come
be
20?
18. It will be 18, ma'am.
Yes, sorry.
It is 18
Yes, ma'am,
plus
sorry.
18. And what is it? Minus 18 plus 8.
Ma'am, this one
Minus
will be
10.
minus 8.
Minus 10.
Minus 10 it will be. How are you saying?
Yes.
Careful in your calculations. Okay, minus 18
Minus
plus
18
8
plus
is
8 will be
minus 10.
10.
Okay, so these are the correct answers. Okay, anyone has doubt in this? I am going to repeat once again
Ma'am,
the
I have
positive.
ma'am, I have one question, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Abdullah.
when we do plus like minus 25 minus 10, so both are minus minus, so we will do
Right.
plus, right? So in
Right.
plus we will move it on the right side, like from 25 on the right side, or we move
Yes.
on the right side. So
No, not on right side, not on right side. When you are thinking of the number line, Abdullah, suppose this is your 0, this is your minus 10, and somewhere here it is minus 25, right? On the left. Now, when you are using number line, it is minus 25. So you will start from minus 25, then it is minus 10. So more 10 on the left hand side, if you move, it reaches to minus 35. Is it clear, Abdullah? So on number line, you are going to take with sign. But this, when we are doing, see, every time you cannot draw number line, right? You cannot draw
too long,
number line. Yes, for big numbers. This is just to understand the concept. For this type of numbers, for bigger numbers, what we do, you just remember the rules. And those rules are like when two negatives are there, add the number without taking the sign, add the numbers and just put the negative sign with it. Okay. When two positives are there, like if the question is 25 plus 25, wait,
Ma'am, plus plus will be plus, minus minus will be plus, plus minus will be minus, and minus plus will be minus. Right, ma'am?
plus plus will be plus, minus minus will be plus, put a negative sign, plus minus will be minus, put the sign of bigger number, and minus plus will also be minus, put the sign of bigger number. So
Ma'am,
again,
minus will be plus, ma'am.
yes, minus minus will be plus,
That will be
but
plus, but we will add a negative sign.
correct. Okay, let me repeat once again. Let me repeat.
So, ma'am, plus 20 minus 2, plus 20 minus 2 will be minus 18 or 18 only.
Wait. Humera,
18 because the bigger number is 20.
let me erase this thing first. Abdullah, is your doubt clear now? Now see, when I'm
ma'am.
writing it over here,
Yes, ma'am.
positive plus positive, you have to add. Okay, you will add the numbers and you will have a positive sign. Okay, negative and negative, again you will add, but you will put a negative sign. Okay, then positive and negative, one positive, one negative, you will subtract and put the sign of greater number. Okay, out of which one, this one is greater or this one. Don't take the sign, you have to see the number without the sign. Okay, so sign of
So, ma'am, the greater
greater
number ka sign we need to add, right?
correct. And plus and minus same, again you have to subtract, but you have to take the sign of again the greater number. Okay, now when I do
Ma'am,
some example,
if we plus plus it comes, then ma'am, we don't need to put the plus sign, right?
here you cannot, here if you don't put, it is okay, but in the middle you will have to put. Okay, so like the question is plus 25 and minus 25, what will be the answer? What will you do first? Tell me. 1 plus and 1 minus, what will you do?
Ma'am, we will subtract. We will subtract.
So when you subtract, 25 minus 25 is how much?
0.
0. So you don't need to put the sign because both are equal, so no sign over here. Now if I say 35 minus 45, okay, again 35 means it is plus sign, nothing
Plus
is written,
35.
plus sign.
Ma'am, we will subtract.
You will subtract, and what will be the sign? First subtract.
Minus will be the sign and 10 will be the answer.
Minus 10. Minus 20 and minus 10. Both are negatives. What will you do?
Ma'am, we will minus 10.
Minus 30. Minus 30.
Minus 30. So is this clear to everyone? What?
Yes,
how do
ma'am.
we-
1 minute, I'm writing this.
Wait, once again, I'll let you write. I'm just giving you some examples. Wait, I'm showing you from the slide and then you write. Then we'll do some questions and then wait, stop share. So what we did just now is this. These are the integer rules which you have to follow always. And so that is why it is very important. When you are adding means, when do you add? When you have same sign. Okay, same sign means plus plus, you will add, minus minus, you will add. When you are adding two minuses, you will have a minus sign because the majority sign is minus, so you'll put a minus sign. When you are adding two plus, you will have a plus sign. Basically you are adding, but you will put the sign of the majority. Okay, when you have different sign, means one is plus, one is minus, you will subtract I will pull and you will put the sign of greater number. Now out of 5 and 9, which one is greater? No, 9 is
9.
greater. So you will put the sign of 9, which is plus. So no need of putting plus over here. Just 4 also is fine.
Ma'am, in exam, if you don't write the sign, like if it's minus and we don't write
Minus is
majority sign,
compulsory to write. If you don't write plus,
Yes.
it is understood that it is plus. No sign means it is understood it is a positive sign. Minus 13 plus 8 is equal to, again 13 and 8, one sign is 9, minus, one is plus. So you will subtract 13 minus 8 and answer is 5, but bigger number is 13. 13 has got a
13.
negative
we'll put a
sign.
minus sign.
Minus 5. So this way you will do. Okay. Now when it is asked subtraction, suppose they ask subtract. Now what you will do here, the question is minus 3 minus 4. Okay. Okay. I'll use whiteboard too.
Ma'am, how come it is so long, ma'am? I
It's
didn't
not long.
understand.
Yeah. If the question is that subtract, this we did in addition. Now if the question is, suppose my question is subtract minus 2 from minus 15. Okay. Now this is a word question. You know which number to write first whenever it
Minus
is.
17.
Yes. Minus 15 it is.
So no, first let us start with one by one. Minus 17 is the wrong answer. Minus 15 you will write first. So I'll write minus 15. It is asked to subtract. So I'll put a sign minus and then I'll put minus 2, right? Suppose your question, because when we have positive number question, when I say subtract 15 from 20, what do? We write 20, then we put a minus sign on my own and then I write 15. So my answer is 5. This we do, right? Normally we do like this. No? So here also you have minus 2 from minus 15. So from here, so you have to put minus here. Like I put minus over here. So you have to put minus over here. Now what did I tell you yesterday? Just let me complete this. What did I tell you yesterday? When two minuses are together, then minus and minus
We'll add
will become a positive sign.
plus
Okay?
sign.
It will
Plus
become
sign.
plus. Not only you are adding, you will make it a positive sign. So one step you will add minus 15 plus 2. Now what is the answer? Can you tell me?
17. 17. Minus 17.
Minus
One is
17.
minus, one is plus. Tell me, what is the answer? Humaira?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Minus, yeah, ma'am, can I?
Yeah,
Minus
Humaira?
13. Minus 13 is the answer.
Minus 13. Why? Because one is negative, one is
Plus
positive.
in minus.
You have
Plus
to
in minus
subtract.
will become minus.
Ibrahim Muhammad, did you understand why answer is not minus
Yes.
17?
Sorry, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Understood.
So it's okay to make mistake. Don't be sorry. Okay. So so what do we do whenever it is asked subtract? It is asked subtract. So when it is written in words, subtract minus 20 from 25. What is the answer? How will I write first of all? Tell me, Muhammad. How will I write?
20.
20.
Ma'am, you will. It is minus. You
No,
will
no, don't give me the answer. Don't give me the answer. Give me the step. How will I write in subtraction form? It is
minus 20. No, minus 20 plus 25.
It is
Plus
from
25.
25. So
Plus
first
25.
we write.
And
Okay.
then you will,
We'll put a
minus-
minus.
and then you put a bracket and then you put minus 20.
Correct. Now
it-
what is the next step?
It becomes plus 25 plus 25 minus 20.
Minus minus becomes plus. No? Minus and minus becomes plus sign. Remember that. Okay.
So, ma'am, 25
answer
also has a plus, right, ma'am?
Already 25 has plus and these two minuses make it plus. But if suppose the
So,
question is
For not
25
confusing, can we write away a plus?
plus over here, but nothing is written, you should know it is a plus. If it is written like this, minus and plus is actually minus only. Okay. If it is written like this, 25 plus minus 20, if you are adding a plus and minus, so it is
Will
basically
be
20
minus.
minus 20.
Minus
Okay.
20.
So when two signs are there, so what do we say? When the signs are not same, it becomes minus. When the
Different.
signs are same, it becomes plus. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
remember these rules. Then when we practice, you will understand this. Okay. So some questions I'm giving you. Add.
Ma'am, plus minus and minus plus will be minus only, right? Like both.
Yes. Plus minus is minus. Minus
Different.
plus is also minus.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
have to do these questions now which you are writing.
Right now you do. Right now in the class. Add 125 and minus 25.
ये तो है तो सुधार मिल जाता है, वो एक अलग चीज है कि काम मुस्लिम खड़ा के मतलब सिंपल सी चीज है वो मुस्लिम डोमिनेंस
How will you do that?
भिवंडी में अभी
Ma'am, 100 is the answer, ma'am. 100 is the answer. Ma'am,
125.
How will you write? Give me the step. How will I write?
125 plus
you will do
minus
right
25.
plus and then plus. First you will add 125 plus and then you will
Okay.
make one bracket minus 25 and then you will do is equal to, then you will add 125 minus 25 and then you will get the
It is not minus. It is plus now. Plus and minus becomes minus only.
answer. So ma'am,
Now you
I
can
told
do-
now minus, it will become minus.
100.
And it
Then
will
Ma'am, 100 is the answer.
plus 100 because 125 is the greater number and sign
So
is
100.
plus 100.
Yes.
Okay. Now add.
Ma'am, it was written add. That's why we added 125 plus minus 25, and then plus minus becomes minus. So 125 minus
Yes.
25, right? Yes. Okay. Ma'am, should I write the questions, ma'am?
Yes.
ma'am minus 420 ma'am.
Minus 20.
Wait.
Ma'am, the question is 290, 220.
No,
and
no, no, no.
290.
No, it is 200 only. By mistake it happened. How will I write? Who will give me the answer? Amina, can you
Ma'am,
tell
can
me?
I say?
Now we will write bracket minus 220 and then plus minus 200 will be equal to.
Ma'am, the answer is 420.
We will subtract 220 minus 200.
220 minus 220 and what
Minus
is this?
2
Plus and minus.
minus
What-
200.
Okay. What is the answer?
20 ma'am.
20.
Ma'am, it will be minus
Ma'am,
20.
minus will become plus. So
What
220
is
plus
2
200.
minuses? Just see the rules
Plus.
that
Plus
are.
ma'am.
You will-
Ma'am, I told you it is
Ma'am, the
420
answer
ma'am.
will
I
be
told you it
minus
is
420.
Minus 4.
Minus
answer is
420.
minus 420. Okay. Subtract.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Who will do this?
Ma'am, 500.
Can I do?
Ma'am, 550.
Ma'am, can
Can
I?
I, can I do?
No, I
ma'am?
want steps. Humera,
Ma'am,
can you give me the
can
steps?
I say the steps, ma'am? Please.
Okay, Abdullah.
Ma'am, after Abdullah.
Yes, ma'am. So first we will add minus 100.
No, no.
Minus
step
100.
100.
Minus 300. Minus 300.
Subtract this from.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I?
Minus 300.
It is wrong.
Minus
Abdullah.
2.
From जो भी होता है, whenever from is there, you have to write this one first.
250. Ma'am, the answer will be Ma'am, plus
So you have to write 250 minus 300.
And then ma'am,
answer
250
is-
plus 300.
300.
Ma'am, 550 is the answer.
Yes. So
550 is the
your
answer, ma'am.
mistake plus 550 is the answer.
Ma'am, my answer was correct, but the method I did was wrong.
You have to write this thing first. Subtract this one from this one. So this should be written first. So subtract minus 510 from minus 310.
Ma'am, whenever from is written, so the after number from that we need to subtract, right?
Right,
And then
yes.
minus minus.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am,
Can I do
say
this one?
sir?
Can I do?
Ibrahim,
Ma'am, can I
tell.
do this
Ma'am.
one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Minus 310
Okay.
minus bracket minus 510.
Then
Then is equals to 310 plus 510.
310 का
minus
minus
3.
कर गया.
Minus 310 plus 510.
Now what is the answer?
Yes. 1 minute.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
minus
answer is minus 200. Minus 200, ma'am.
Ma'am, minus
Ma'am,
8.
Minus and
Ma'am,
plus
it's
will
minus
become
Minus
minus.
820. Minus 820 is the answer.
Why?
Ma'am,
So many
minus and
minus.
plus will become minus.
Amina, what did you get? Okay, tell me. Everyone tell me the answer. What
Ma'am,
is the
can
I
I
got
say?
minus
Ma'am,
200.
it's
I got
minus,
minus
minus,
200.
it will be plus.
What
So
is Amina? I want answer from Amina.
Ma'am, I got 200 plus 200.
Okay, Amina got plus 200. What did you get,
I
Munir?
got,
Plus
Ma'am, I
200.
got minus 200. Minus 200.
Minus 200. Okay. Humaira, what did you get?
ma'am, I
Muhammad,
got
what did you
minus
get?
820. Minus 820.
Ma'am, plus 200.
Ma'am, 200. Ma'am, and
Okay.
plus 200.
Plus
Minus
200.
200, sorry.
Ashta, what did you get?
Ma'am, minus 200, ma'am. Me also.
Minus
Ma'am,
820.
plus 200.
The bigger
What did
number
you say, Rashida?
the bigger number is 510 and it's
Correct.
that plus
Correct.
Ma'am,
So
ma'am, so
answer
it
is
is plus 200.
200 will be the answer.
plus
Plus
200.
200.
Plus
There
200.
is 1 minus 1 plus. So you need to subtract. When you are subtracting, you will put the sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 510. So positive sign.
but it will come.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but it will come
But
One
ma'am, in the
sign
question
minus
it says
plus
510 is minus.
510 is
ma'am.
plus over here.
We added it plus because there were two
Two
subtract.
minuses become plus. So 510 is
that
plus.
next
Then we need to put the bigger sign number.
You have
the
to see.
bigger
That is why we are
number
doing
sign.
stepwise. You have to check the steps. See, here it is minus, but 2 minuses, 510 becomes plus. So finally you
Ma'am.
get a positive 200.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we forgot to see that plus minus, and then we
Ma'am,
need to
but
put the
after-
greater sign. Greater
No,
number
you have to
sign.
check
Ma'am,
this
I have
step.
a doubt,
You
ma'am.
don't see here.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Munib.
Ma'am, you said no, we did a minus and plus will become minus. So ma'am, it will become 310 minus 510. No, so it is minus 510. So the greater number is
Arey,
minus
Munib,
510. No?
listen, Munib. How can you subtract 510 में से 310? Can you take out 10 out of 5? 5 apple में से 10 निकाल सकते हो? Can you take out?
No.
Ma'am, it's
So
greater.
basically you are subtracting bigger number में से ही smaller number and you are putting
But
so
it's
basically
greater.
but you are putting a positive sign. So from here it is clear that bigger number has got a positive sign. Understood, Munib? यहाँ पे
Ma'am.
क्या किया था? जब you
Ma'am,
had
I
a
did not
negative
understand.
So ma'am, we can do like this to understand, like minus plus will come now, so we can write a
See,
statement that is
subtraction,
equals to
don't see the sign. First step is when you have two numbers like minus 25 and plus 20. Okay. So what did I tell you? See, initially only when I was explaining, first thing, check the signs. One is plus, one is minus. So दिमाग में रखो कि you have to subtract. Subtract में again you don't take the sign. Subtract bigger number में से smaller number. Although यहाँ पे minus है, but you will subtract 25 में से 20. Okay, you will subtract 25 में से 20, and what do you get? 5. You are getting 5. So I subtracted, I got 5. Okay, now see the sign. Which one is greater, 25 or 20? 25 is greater, and it
25.
has got a negative sign. So I'll put a negative sign. Is it
Ma'am,
clear, Munib?
I want to say something.
Wait, let
So,
me
ma'am-
explain. Wait, let me
So ma'am,
explain.
in that question also, I did the same only.
No, you didn't do the
510.
same. It was minus 310 plus 510. This was the last step which we got. Okay. Now here again, one is negative, one is positive. So you need to subtract. You cannot
So you
subtract.
minus here.
So you will write 510 minus 3. ऊपर इसको ही लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now when I
Yes, ma'am, I did like that.
so 200 आया. Now
200.
which one is greater? 510 या 310? कौन सा number greater है?
510.
510.
What is the sign with 510? Plus.
Yes.
Understood?
Ma'am, I want
Okay,
to say
ma'am, got
something.
it.
Ma'am, for more
Ma'am, I
understanding.
thought there was a step to write 310 minus
No,
510.
that is why we write the step, because every time the step changes. So that is why you cannot do any question directly. We are doing stepwise because after the previous step only you can go to the next step. Understood? So that
Ma'am.
step is important. That
Yes,
is why.
ma'am, I got it.
Yeah, tell
Ma'am,
Ibrahim.
for more understanding, we can write a statement like minus plus is equals to minus, and then from that the greater number will be added. So it will be more.
That should be there in your mind. Okay, you don't write it in the sum. That should be there in your mind, and you can learn it. Okay, remember it then. Okay, again I'm giving you question now. Subtract. ये minus हटा दो.
Ma'am, give 5 questions एक साथ, then take answers from everybody.
अच्छा ठीक है. I'll give 2 questions and then I'll take answer. Subtract. Two questions. Do it and give me the answer. Those who complete, give me the answer. Okay, wait. You can give me answer in chat, everyone. First answer and second answer. Okay. Write the answer in chat. Question number 1 and question number 2. Do stepwise, otherwise you will make a
We
mistake.
have to do these 2 questions.
Do it and give me the answer in chat. Give me directly, don't give answer publicly. I want to see those who have not yet understood.
Ma'am,
Because this-
300 is after 250, so ma'am, it has. Yeah, understood.
Ma'am, I sent you my answer.
You sent? Okay. Yeah, I got it. Amina's first answer I got. Abdullah's first. Okay. Yes. You- I'm not getting you, Humaira. Give me the answer in chat. Minus 250.
Ma'am, I did not understand the second question.
You write, then only you will understand. Write the step. First, you have to write minus 300. Okay.
Ma'am,
Both
I am
answers-
giving my
Abdullah,
both answers
Abdullah,
together.
how come you are getting same answers in both? You're getting same answers for both. Numbers
No,
are
no,
different.
sorry, ma'am, I didn't.
Ma'am, you got my answer.
Humaira, I got your answer. Yes. Yes, Humaira, your both answers are correct. Amina,
Ma'am,
second
you got
answer.
my second answer, ma'am.
Yes, Abdullah, I got your second answer. I think only Humaira has got.
What is minus and plus equal to subtract now, ma'am? Subtract minus and plus.
From is written, so you have to subtract. Yeah, plus and minus is there, you have to subtract. Yeah, still
Ma'am,
I'm
I am
making your
writing.
answers.
Ma'am, I'm
Right
writing
or
the
wrong, you
second.
should get some answer. Only Rushda is.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I gave
Ma'am,
you
I
my,
gave you
my both answers. Ma'am, is it correct, ma'am? I gave you my both answers.
Munir,
Ma'am, I want to ask
Munir,
something.
your both answers are correct.
Ma'am, I want to ask something. Can I ask?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
send the
the
second
second-
question's answer again. Is it correct?
No. Wait, Amina. Yeah. No. Second answer is not correct.
Ma'am, second one I'm writing, but ma'am 300
Okay,
is
I
Ma'am, is
think
my
all of you
second
are
answer
sent.
correct? Ma'am, is my second answer correct?
No, second answer is not correct. Okay. Now,
Ma'am,
Abdullah, you
my
sent
question is
again.
correct.
No, Rashda, not correct. So only Munib and Humaira have got correct answers. I'm doing it over here. Now see what mistake you have done.
I'm getting same answer of first question minus 50.
No,
Eh,
wrong
it's
answer.
not minus 50, it's minus 750.
Let us do it over
Ma'am,
here.
you want
Let's
my
see
correct
what-
answer now, ma'am? Second one. Correct answer.
Second one plus 50 is wrong. Okay, let me do it over here. See what mistake you are doing. Let me do it. First question I'm doing. Okay, first question. Tell me the step. First, I'll write minus 250.
Ma'am, can I say?
Minus 300, minus 250, bracket, bracket.
can I
minus
say?
200.
Can I say the steps, ma'am?
Wait, Munib, you have already done. I told it is correct.
Ma'am, can
Now-
I say
Now minus and minus, I will change it.
plus?
Okay.
Plus, it will be plus.
Minus 250 plus.
Minus 250 plus 300 is equals to
So one
minus
is plus,
750.
one is minus. What am I going to do? Subtract? Right?
Yes.
So 300 minus 250 is what?
150.
Ma'am, so it is plus
Ah,
50.
150.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
plus 50.
That is why you wrote 150. It is 50, na?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my first one is plus 50.
Ma'am, that's what I
Second
wrote.
one is minus 50.
You wrote that, Rashda? Second one, what did you write?
Yeah, ma'am.
Plus 50 and minus 50 you wrote. Minus 50 is wrong. Okay, second one is not minus 50. First one is plus 50. Okay. Subtract 50 from minus 300. Now check
Ma'am,
your
I
answer.
forgot minus plus is equal to become minus plus is equal
Minus
to become
300,
minus. I forgot
then
that.
minus
You
250.
have to subtract 300 minus 250.
In this question,
First question.
yes. When you subtract, you'll get 50, na? You were getting 150. So that's why it is wrong.
And I was getting 750. I just added
Okay. Now here, two minuses will make what? Tell me.
plus.
Two minus.
Ma'am, 550, ma'am, 550. Minus 550. Minus 550 because 300 is bigger. Minus
Because,
300.
so you will put a negative sign. Okay.
And ma'am, both are negative, so it doesn't matter if what is
I
bigger
gave you
or
the
smaller.
answer of positive
Negative.
550, but it was actually negative 550.
So that is correct. Na? Minus 550 and plus 550. Vast difference is there. So this is your. Now again, I am giving you. Now again, you send me the answers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will remember now plus and minus will be minus, not plus.
Ma'am,
No, don't
Ma'am.
give me answer over here.
minus 250.
Ma'am, you are writing. Ma'am, I
I'm
cannot
writing.
see the question. Ma'am, I can see only 1 and 2 questions.
Ma'am, can I, ma'am,
I
can
can
I,
see. Visible to you, Muni. I wrote answers also. Okay, I'm giving you. Just write
Mama,
the
we are
question.
not allowed to give the answers, ma'am. We'll ask later.
add minus 250 from 350?
नहीं, add में from नहीं होता है. Add में just you have to put plus sign. Okay. You are
Ma'am,
adding.
I can
from-
only see 1 and 2 questions and no answer also. Only 1 and 2 question is written. Subtract 300 wala and subtract
Okay.
250.
Okay, right, Munib. Add minus 250 and minus 350. This is the first
Add
question.
minus 250 and 350, no?
Minus 350. Add
Yes, ma'am.
minus 250 and minus 350. Second one is subtract minus 300 from minus 450.
Ma'am, can
Now,
you repeat? Ma'am, can you repeat second one?
subtract minus 300
Minus
from
300 from
minus 450.
minus of- Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now send me the answers in chat.
Ma'am, it will become minus 250 minus 350, right?
You have to give me the answer. I will explain the answer later. First, let me check everyone's answer. Okay, I got someone's answer. Whose answer is it? First one is Muhammadi.
Yes,
No.
ma'am, I got the answer. of
Muhammad.
60.
No, who gave me the answer? Muhammadi, Amina, Abdullah, first answer is correct. Let me check the second one. What is the question? Second.
Ma'am, is my first answer correct?
No. Minus 4. Abdullah, your second answer is wrong.
Ma'am, I send you my answer is correct.
Humaira, second answer is wrong. Rashda, answer is wrong. Humaira, first answer, check, there is a minute mistake, Humaira. Abdullah, first answer is correct. Not correct, wait. Correct. Humaira, your first answer is correct. Sorry, I missed it. Your first answer is correct, Humaira.
Ma'am, can I give you my answer? 1 minute, I'm typing, ma'am.
Second answer, Abdullah, it is wrong. अच्छा, Humaira got second answer, लेकिन थोड़ा सा mistake है. Humaira, check your second answer.
My answer is correct.
Your
Ma'am, my first and second answer is correct.
Rashda, your first answer is correct. I think so. Where is it? Yeah, Rashda, first answer is correct. Second answer is wrong. Ibrahim, first.
Ma'am, can you remind?
Yeah. Ibrahim, second answer is correct. First one is wrong. Amina, first answer is wrong. Small mistake is there. Check with the sign, Amina. Muhammad, wrong.
Ma'am, mine I said.
Uni, both the answers are correct. Abdullah, second answer, now it is correct. All of you have given the answers now. Should I do it over here?
Yes, ma'am. I have given.
And minus plus will be minus only, then 50. And the
Which
greatest-
answer you're talking about? Rashda, second answer correct.
First one, I did not put the positive sign. Oh.
First one is not positive, huh?
It will
First
be negative.
answer is-
Minus 50. Minus 50 is the answer.
First, okay, I'm doing it over here. Add minus 250 and minus 350. So you just have to put sign. Minus
Can I say
250
the steps?
Wait, minus 250 plus minus 350, okay? Plus and minus becomes minus. So minus 250 and minus 350. Two minuses. So you will add. When you add, you get 600. Majority
Then
sign
why
is
will it be, ma'am, why
Minus 600.
then? How will it be minus 600?
because both
Because the
numbers
bigger
have
number
got
is
minus.
350. Ma'am, because the bigger number is 350.
If you go by bigger number also, it has got negative sign, okay? When two minuses are there, you have to put a negative sign. Then next one is minus 450 minus 450
Minus 300.
which is equal to minus 450
Plus 300.
so 1 plus and 1 minus, subtract it, answer is 150. Bigger number is
Minus.
which? So
Ma'am,
minus.
minus 150. No.
Yes. So answer is minus 600 and minus 150.
Ma'am, I did not understand the first one. Can you explain one time?
First one is when you are adding. So
I
you
am
will-
getting minus 50 answer.
How come? When two minuses are there, this is a minus and this is a minus. Two minuses you need to add. When two negatives are there, you need to add. When you are adding, you will put a greater number sign. Okay,
Ma'am,
some more.
The first one I got minus 100.
It is wrong, na? Minus 100. Two minus is there, Muhammad. Two negative means you have to add. What is the rule? When two negatives are there, you have to add and put the negative sign. Okay. Please write the rules somewhere. Please write the rules. Okay. Should I make you write over here? Okay. Wait. When
Yes,
two
ma'am.
negatives are there, two negative. Okay. You have to add. Put a negative sign. Okay? Minus and minus. When two minuses are there, you will do like this. When one minus and one plus is there, you have to subtract sign of greater number.
Ma'am, when minus minus will come, we will plus and then
More
the
questions
sign
like
will be
those, ma'am. You are giving.
Negative. Huh?
Can you give more
Rule-
questions like you are giving right now?
I'll give more questions. Again, plus and minus, same
Ma'am,
thing.
can you say again, because I cannot say, I can only see the first two questions you give on the whiteboard.
Login again. Class is getting over. I'll tell the questions now. I'm writing the rules, Munib. I'm writing the rules. You know the rules now. I'm just writing.
Yes,
because
I know the rules. Yes.
so you have to add and put positive sign. Now I'm giving the question and
Ma'am,
I'm
1 minute,
speaking
ma'am.
also.
I'm writing the rule. Then minus we will add and then we will put the sign of the negative.
Ma'am, you
Correct.
did not say the questions.
Add minus 350 and minus 700. Okay, first question. Add minus 350 and minus 700. Second one is subtract 200 from minus 300.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Ma'am,
Answer someone has given. Okay, let me check. No, no one has given. Do it. Do carefully. See the signs and everything. Everything is fine, and then give me the answer.
ma'am, I
Mohammed,
said
yes. Correct answer, Muhammad. First one. Humaira, keep your camera on. Do it on your own. Anyone else has got? Munib, Munib, both the answers correct. Muhammad, you're not getting the second answer. Rashta,
Ma'am, is
check
my
with your
correct?
addition.
Ma'am, is my correct? Ma'am, I
Check
gave
with your addition. 350 and 700. Just check it. Abdullah, both answers correct. Muhammad, second answer is wrong. Ibrahim, wrong. How come minus 350 you are getting? Minus 350 and minus 700. Both you are adding. How will you get only 350? Ibrahim, check it.
Yeah.
Rashta, which answer you gave?
Wait a second.
Ma'am, 700 plus 350 will be 1050.
So how come you are writing 350? What will be the sign?
Ma'am,
Yes, Rashta, correct answer. First
you
one
will give
correct.
these kind of questions in homework.
2-3 questions I'll give right now. So I'll give you the answer. First answer is minus 1050.
Yes, ma'am, I got
I
that.
got minus 1050.
I did not understand
Yes.
the second.
And second one is, how much is second
Minus
one?
500.
Ma'am, minus 500.
Minus 500. Why?
Ma'am, can you
But-
show second one?
Because you have to write minus 300 and from minus 300 200. So put minus sign on your own. Remember to put
We have to
minus
add
sign.
and then we have to add minus the sign of the greater number.
Right.
And
So if
minus
you-
300 minus in bracket also we'll put minus, right? Minus 200.
why minus? Question में minus नहीं है. No minus in the question. So only plus 200. So it is
500 minus 500.
answer is this. Okay. I'm giving you some questions for homework. Practice it.
You're giving now, ma'am.
Yes, now copy down because
Ma'am,
5
can
minutes.
you
is very-
speak, ma'am? I cannot see
Yeah.
only.
Subtract 21.5. Now it is in decimal. Subtract minus 21.5 from 200.11 with a minus sign. Wait,
Ma'am,
minus
subtract
21,
minus.
How come
subtract
we will do in decimal?
decimal addition subtraction you already know. Subtract minus 21.5 from minus 200.11. Okay, subtract 200 from minus 650. Then add
Ma'am, minus 200 or 200?
only 200.
From
Subtract 200 from minus 650. Add 33.9 and add minus 33.9 and 22.6 plus 22.6. Then add minus 308 and minus 405. 4 questions are there. Note down this.
ma'am, minus 308 and
Minus 405. So this is your homework. Okay. Next class, I would be
Yes,
asking you. No need to send me on Google Classroom. I'll ask the answer in the class only.
I've written.
All of you have written?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yeah,
No,
tell
ma'am.
me.
Ma'am, in the decimal one, we need to do the normal decimal subtraction and addition, right?
Yes, normal.
And you have given the hint which is greater in the first one.
Minus 200.11 है. So minus 200 पहले लिखोगे, then minus 21. 1 will become minus, 1 will become plus. Then you have to do whatever 1 plus 1 minus में subtract करना है. Put the greater sign. Which one is greater?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
should know.
I understand.
Okay, whatever number you're writing on the top is greater. Yes. So next time, be ready with the answer. Should I stop sharing now? Everyone has done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Written it?
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everyone has done it.
Okay. So see you in the next class.
ma'am.
Complete your homework. Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
See you.